In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a knowledge base in Zoho Desk. If you're managing customer support and want to streamline how you deliver answers to common questions, creating a well-organized knowledge base can be a real game changer. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Help Center or KB module within Zoho Desk. These are your starting points for accessing all the features related to setting up and managing your knowledge base. Once you're there, think about the structure of your knowledge base. It's essential to have a clear idea of how you'll organize your information. Perhaps you'll have categories for different types of products or sections dedicated to specific services. After you've identified your target category or section, the next step is to click on the option to Add a new article. This is where you begin building the actual content of your knowledge base. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to fill out several important fields for each article. Let's break these down. First, you'll need to provide a title. Think of it as the headline that sums up the problem or question the article addresses. Make it clear and concise, as this will help users quickly determine if they're on the right track. Next, move on to the content field. This is the body of your article where you provide the detailed information and solutions. Make your content as informative and straightforward as possible, using step-by-step instructions, if necessary, to walk your users through solving their issues. Adding images or screenshots can greatly enhance understanding, especially for complex processes. Don't forget about attachments. If there are additional resources, such as guides, templates, or files that users might need, this is the place to include them. Ensure that these attachments are accessible and relevant to the topic at hand. Now, an often overlooked but crucial step is assigning your article to the relevant category or section. This keeps your knowledge base organized and makes it easier for users to find the information they need without unnecessary searching. You'll also want to consider the article-level visibility settings. Determine who gets to see this article. Is it for internal use only, or should it be accessible to the general public? Adjust these settings as needed to maintain the appropriate level of confidentiality and usability. Additionally, don't miss the opportunity to add tags, SEO keywords, and a summary. These elements will improve the article's searchability, both within Zoho Desk and on search engines, making it more likely that users will find the answers they need quickly. Finally, if your organization has a review process enabled, you'll need to click Send for Review. This ensures that someone else checks the content for accuracy and clarity before it goes live. If no review is needed, you can publish directly. And there you have it. You've successfully created an article for your knowledge base in Zoho Desk. As your knowledge base grows, remember to periodically review and update articles to keep the information fresh and accurate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.